Hey everyone, this is Yogesh from Utilize Your Business, and in this video, I'm going to talk about Builderall. Builderall just revamped their whole platform, and they added a couple of more software. Now they're called Builderall 3.0. I'm just going to review it. Should you invest in Builderall 3? And if you do decided to invest in Builderall 3, stick around at the end of the video. I'm going to give away some cool bonuses to the people who actually joined Builderall through my link. Let's go. So what is Builderall? When you come into their homepage, the first thing you notice is they talk about all the different software they have under one platform. So they talk about more than 20 tools they have it, so you can get all that in one platform. Drag and drop site, Canvas funnel builder. Then they also have the CRM application, email marketing. Even they have webinars. So you don't basically what they're trying to do, saying is you don't need to once you're with Builderall, you don't need to have any other platform that you need to add it on or buy separately. So everything under one roof. So well, let's talk about their plans. So the plans monthly is about $29.90 US dollars, or there's premium for $69.90 US dollars. So they're basically you get on the $69.90 you get everything, all of their they have more than 27 different tools. You get pretty much everything, whereas on the basic one, which is $29.90, you do get some of the tools, not all of it, especially for people this has the built-in CRM. This you don't get into $29.90, but you do get that. But you look at it, you can even start with the basic plan and see how it is, and then you can upgrade it to the $69.90 per month. So let me log to my dashboard, and it tells you exactly what the builder what sort of tools they have it and what you can get it. Okay, so the first is all the trainings you can get in there, your Builderall dashboard, the support, tickets, and events. So once you go in home, you pretty much have all these tools. So let's look at the one of these tools one by one and see what exactly are these tools for. The first one, you're looking at Builderall, so you can click on it. They have a canvas builder, so the build funnel using their signature digital funnel builder. So you click on there, you can enter it, and once you enter it, they also have the support in terms of where it actually teaches you how to do it. So this is their funnel. You can edit it, you can add it, and all that. So let's look at their I already have these in the dashboard, so you don't need to. They also have the WordPress, they also have the e-commerce and all that. So let's go to the dashboard on Canvas. Okay, so when you click that, you can when you click on it, you can actually get a lot of tutorials. So click on that, and it does tells you everything you need to know. And the tutorials are mostly done on the YouTube. So it does give you the video and exactly step by step of how to do it, which is pretty good. So basically any of the other platform that you want to go, you can click on there and get all the tutorials. So with this, the other good thing about this is you don't actually need to have an autoresponder. It's a built-in autoresponder. So you can click on there. Let's go down to the WordPress site builder. So you can click on there, video tag. If you want to tag some videos that you're putting in, the click map, the mockup studio. If you click them down for the e-commerce, they also have some e-commerce. And then the other thing I liked about it is they also have something called for the social media. You can do the auto post, you can do the Facebook chat. They also have the script. So if you're like me, you're struggling to get some idea when you're looking for, want to build in some content, or that you actually can go to the script generator and get it in. So you click on the tutorial, it will take you to the YouTube video of the tutorial, and it actually tells you, how to use their
Welcome back to another tutorial video.
script generator. So The other thing they talk about is the webinar, the e-learning, and the other thing is the VA assistant. If you're on, I believe, 69.99 plan, you can actually have the VA to come in there and help you with your social media. They actually can use the tools in here. They can have access to it. They can actually use the tool, which is pretty good, and have the VA go through uh, your social media, your Facebook Messenger, your the WhatsApp. They also have the WhatsApp. So if you go in there, so let me just double click on the customize, and I just want to show you all the different tools they have it. The social media and engagement. So they have the auto post, they have the Facebook chat, and if you can go down, they also have the social proof. So these are the one where you actually go to website, and actually at the bottom of the website they actually say, you know, so and so has bought this. The Instagram auto post, WhatsApp Messenger, SMS, and CRM. So pretty much, like I said, they have different, but there are roughly about 27 to 28 different tools. You can all use it under one roof, so you don't have to worry about spending extra money once you're once you're once you build a um, sales funnel. So you can get everything done under one roof, and uh, that's the tagline of the Builderall. What it is under one roof you can get everything. So now, if somebody is interested in the Builderall and they want to and click get the free trial, which is for 7 days, the good thing about the free trial is you don't even have to input your credit card info. So you can just go ahead and click in the link below this video, and it will take you to this web page where you can actually sign up and have your get to know more about the Builderall, and you use it for 7 days, and you don't have to put in the credit card. Now, after that, if you decided that Builderall is the platform that you like it, and you want to keep on you want to add in your paid subscription, email me, and what I'll do is I'll throw in some cool bonuses such as the group convert. It's a Chrome extension for uh, for the people who have the Facebook group and who are started collecting emails. They can collect it on the autopilot, so emails will be collected automatically. New members, when they join in your Facebook group. The second one is the tier 5 software. They're about five softwares that I can give to you for signing up under my link. Software such as the link tracking, such as the social proof. For these process, I'm just giving it away to you as a bonus, so you don't have to pay any extra. And once you get all of that plus the Facebook group, you are on your way of building online business, and you don't have to spend any more extra money, and you have to subscribe on any other extra software. So do let me know in the description below. There is a link for everything, and let me know if you like this video. Subscribe it, like it, and I'll see you on the next video.